Hold your breath, for an AI revolution is about to electrify the scene. Imagine a force that navigates the digital realm with an unparalleled agility, learning and adapting like a maestro conducting a symphony. A groundbreaking entity emerges, defying norms and redefining the boundaries of artificial intelligence. But here's the twist. This isn't just about technology. It's an odyssey into the extraordinary. Delve into a world where an AI powerhouse named Gorilla reshapes the future. To uncover this exhilarating narrative, all it takes is a simple step. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Evolves. Get ready to meet Gorilla and embark on a journey that will leave you spellbound. Meet Gorilla, the AI powerhouse that's rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence. Picture this, an AI that explores the web on its own, learning from new tools and tackling complex tasks with ease. Believe it or not, Microsoft's Gorilla is turning science fiction into reality, taking us closer to the ultimate goal of artificial general intelligence. It's not just outperforming its peers like GPT-4, ChatGPT, and Claude, it's redefining what's possible. Now, let's dive straight into the heart of this marvel. Gorilla isn't just an AI, it's a genius at teamwork. Imagine different software applications talking to each other effortlessly. That's what Gorilla does with API calls, these magical bridges that allow programs and AI models to share information. For instance, think of an AI using the Twitter API and a text generation API to web up news faster than any human. But here's the kicker, Gorilla doesn't just do one thing, it's a multi-talented star. From the world of machine learning hubs like TorchHub, TensorFlow Hub, and Hugging Face, to cloud services like GCP and Kubernetes, Gorilla glides through them all. And guess what? There's no need for boring pre-programming. Gorilla adapts on the fly, embracing new tools and changes like a seasoned pro. The best part, the AI wizardry comes straight from the minds of Microsoft and UC Berkeley, and they have generously shared as an open source project on GitHub. Now, let's unravel the secret recipe behind Gorilla's incredible capabilities. Behind the scenes, the masterminds at UC Berkeley and Microsoft laid the groundwork by curating a vast collection of APIs, aptly named API Bench. They scoured the realms of cutting-edge model hubs like TorchHub, TensorHub, and Hugging Face, piecing together a treasure trove of machine learning power. But this is where the real magic begins. Gorilla's learning journey is fueled by self-instruction, crafting pairs of instructions and perfectly matched APIs. Imagine turning data into a symphony of user-agent interactions, like having a conversation with the AI. They harnessed the Llama 7B model and gave it a touch of standard instruction fine-tuning. Sounds simple, right? Well, there's more beneath the surface. Even the seemingly straightforward task of handling API calls isn't a walk in the park. Imagine unraveling intricate puzzles, as each call comes with its own set of constraints, adding layers of complexity to the AI's understanding. It's not just about grasping the function, it's about untangling the embedded constraints. Now, brace yourself for a data extravaganza. The expansive dataset spans 3 distinct domains: TorchHub, TensorHub, and Hugging Face, each contributing a unique flavor to the mix. Think of it as a goldmine of information that's bound to elevate the AI's prowess. Each API in this treasure trove is paired with 10 meticulously crafted instructions. These guides are the backbone of Gorilla's training and evaluation, steering it towards brilliance. But hold on a second, let's pause for a fun fact. Did you know that Gorilla can navigate the digital realm faster than a caffeine-fueled squirrel chasing corns? Now, that's some AI agility right there. Now let's dive into the mechanics. When you, the user, provide natural language prompts, Gorilla's gears start turning. It analyzes and identifies the perfect API based on the task at hand. But the path to perfection is strewn with challenges. One such hurdle is its mixed knowledge of APIs, which can lead to occasional missteps and even produce calls that don't exist. Talk about virtual mirages. But as with every challenge, the creators are steering towards solutions. Recent strides in the field have birthed innovative tools. Meta's tool Former has donned the role of an API summoner, connecting external service APIs to Gorilla's arsenal. On the other hand, ChatGPT opted for a plugin system, empowering Gorilla with external resources. In this dynamic arena, Gorilla's approach takes a unique turn. Enter the Gorilla approach, armed with systematic evaluation and a futuristic pipeline. It all began with a curated dataset, a tapestry woven from 1645 API calls, plucked from model cards of Hugging Face, PyTorch, and TensorFlow hubs. These calls breathed life into instruction API pairs, all orchestrated by the GPT-4 maestro to finesse Gorilla's scales. And that's just the beginning. Stay tuned as we uncover the enigma of Gorilla's retriever-aware training, the secret sauce that sets this AI titan apart from the rest. Remember that boundless horizon we mentioned? Well, Gorilla's magic doesn't stop with its abilities and limitations. It's fueled by something even more ingenious: retriever-aware training. This isn't just a concept, it's the core of Gorilla's design, the secret behind its adaptability. Picture this: Gorilla constantly updates its understanding of APIs, seamlessly adjusting to changes in documentation. This dynamic technique not only enhances its performance, but also slashes the chances of hallucination. Those quirky moments when the AI conjures non-existent APIs. Evaluating API calls can be a puzzle. Relying solely on test cases falls short in verifying the intricate dance of code semantics. Yet, fear not! An abstract syntax tree matching strategy comes to the rescue. It's like tracing the footsteps of the invoked API, edging closer to that coveted accuracy. But here comes the twist. Hallucinations, those figments of imagination, and simple API errors need to be told apart. Gorilla does this masterfully through AST matching, spotting hallucinations and setting them apart from harmless hiccups. Hold tight, because here's where the detective work shines. Tracing the API called within the dataset involves a critical dance of AST subtree matching. It's like finding the needle in the haystack, except the needle comes with multiple arguments. And just when you thought it couldn't get more intriguing, Python's default arguments add an extra layer of complexity. But wait, there's more! Gorilla comes in 3 versions, each with its own flavor. One relies on the mighty Meta Llama, a power reserved for non-commercial play. On the flip side, the versions powered by MP87 and Falcon 7B are yours to explore for commercial ventures. Hold on to your curiosity because, in the next chapter, we'll journey into the realm of Gorilla's future. It's a glimpse into the crystal ball of AI evolution, and it promises to be as captivating as the path we have tread so far. The road ahead gleams with promise. Researchers are infusing large language models with groundbreaking tools, shattering limitations. Imagine dynamic knowledge at their fingertips, seamlessly executing intricate tasks beyond their training data's grasp. Innovators are already at work, threading APIs like bridges to external tools. This symphony of change propels models from rigid tools to an expansive API universe, poised to become the prime interface for computing and the web. Ready for some insider perks? Give a thumbs up and hit the share button on our latest top 5 videos. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You're about to take the lead in the AI revolution. Consider this your VIP pass to the front row view of tomorrow's technology. Gorilla emerges as a true pioneer, revolutionizing tool-augmented LMS. Its features set a new standard, beckoning towards a realm of possible artificial general intelligence. Hold tight as we ride this wave of transformation, a future shaped by the legacy of Gorilla. As we journey through the AI landscape, Gorilla emerges as a beacon of excellence, surpassing peers like GPT-4 and Claude. With precision, it molds API calls, while its adaptability embraces change seamlessly. Gorilla's orchestration of API calls spans domains, effortlessly conquering complexity. The fusion of self-instruction and retrieval techniques empowers Gorilla's toolkit. Behold Gorilla's luminous supremacy, illuminating the path of AI revolution as we venture into the captivating tapestry of its promising future. There you have it, folks, Gorilla's secret unveiled, leaving us all in awe. Now, let's make a deal. If your mind's buzzing like a caffeinated squirrel after this AI adventure, spread the laughter and knowledge. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and let's keep this AI party rolling.